So today we're going to make garlic and ginger paste. You do not need to buy this. So we're going to start with 150 grams of garlic. Peel this. Now there is a lot of ways to do this. A lot of people will have somewhere online where you can put it in a tub and shake it, put it between a mat, do whatever you like. I just smash the top, sometimes just cut the bottom or smash it with a knife and they peel off quite easily like this for me. Then we're going to take these lovely peeled garlic cloves and we are going to blitz them up. So put them into whatever food processor you have. Oh, try and catch them all. And we're going to add 75 milliliters of cold water. You can do this in stages if your blender isn't big enough. And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then get this all blitzed up. And it should look like this when it is done. Now this will keep for about a week in an airtight container in your fridge. But what I like to do is freeze this. That way I have this ready to hand. If you add salt at this stage, it will last longer in your fridge. But I don't like to because I want to control the salt levels in the final product. Basically, just load this into your ice cube tray. A silicone one works best because you can plop it out afterwards. Smooth over your garlic paste. Get this onto a tray and get this in the freezer. So this is the only ice cube tray that I have, so use whatever you have to hand. And we'll get some pretty cool Mario-style frozen garlic shapes when this is done, just like these. Push them out of the mold and store these into a Ziploc bag in your freezer for whenever you need them. And then all you do is just take it out frozen, put it into any dish, and it will thaw out naturally. And look at that, you've got yourself a power cube. And just push out the rest. Come on, let's go, Mario. And there you have it, just like that, garlic paste. Now we're going to make some ginger paste. We're going to do this in the same way that we did with the garlic. So peel 150 grams. You can hear my mum shouting at me right now, telling me to use a spoon. Roughly chop this up and put this into your blender. We can do this in stages again. We're going to use 50 mils of water this time. And just like before, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Blitz this up in your food processor or blender, whatever you have. And just like before, there you go. Lovely, delicious ginger paste you can use in a variety of different things. And just like before, you can keep this in your fridge for about a week or you can freeze it. And just like before, we're going to put this in our ice cube tray. And there you have it, garlic and ginger paste. So easy to make. Do not buy these. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next one. Please like, comment and subscribe.